In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under partnership in business. So we are going to focus on the subtopic advantages, disadvantages, dissolution and liquidation in business partnerships. We have about 13 to 15 repeated questions to practice with. Let's get started. The first question here says, the major criticism of a cooperative society is management incompetence, granting excessive loans to members, limited capital, selling goods on credit to members. The right answer is option A, management incompetence. Next question, this one, it says a partnership is dissolved due to insanity of a partner, resignation of an employee, liquidity of the firm, death of an employee. The right answer is option A, insanity of a partner. Next question, this one, it says a partnership may be automatically dissolved due to the following factors except court verdict, bankruptcy of a partner, joint decision, admission of new members. So the exception here is admission of new members. Okay, next question is this one, it says the basic characteristics of a cooperative society include or except one, it is managed democratically, it follows the principle of one man, amateur management, extra capital is raised through loans. So guys, the exception is amateur management. Next question is one, it says one of the main features of a partnership is unlimited membership, limited liability, lack of corporate existence, lack of mutual confidence. The right answer is option C, which is lack of corporate existence. Next question is one, it says a partnership is dissolved when there is consistent theft, there is bankruptcy, the business suffer a loss, there is misunderstanding between partners. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is when there is bankruptcy. Next question, option B. Next question is one, it says a partner who only makes capital contribution but does not take part in the management of the partnership business is an option A, limited partner, dormant partner, nominal partner, ordinary partner. So the right answer is option B, dormant partner. This question is one, it says if a partnership deal is silent on how profits are to be shared, partners share profits in an equal proportion irrespective of partners' capital contribution in the ratio of the value of business secured by each partner for the partnership in the ratio of partner capital contributions according to duties performed by each partner. The right answer is option A, in an equal proportion irrespective of partners capital contributions. Very important. This question is one, it says one advantage of cooperative society, one advantage the cooperative society has over the company is that the former attracts more capital than the latter. Former unlike the latter has limited liabilities. The latter pays tax while the former does not. Members of the former is usually more than the latter. The right answer is option C, the latter pays tax while the former does not. Okay, next question is one, it says partnerships are most effective where the partners are family, friends, government regulation are favorable, members can easily raise enough capital, professionals are involved. The right answer is option D, when professionals are involved. Next question, it is one, it says which of these is both merit and demerit in partnership, where the withdrawal of a major partner is its unlimited nature, the number of partners, the bearing of risk. The right answer is option B, its unlimited nature. Next question is one, it says which of these is both merit and demerit in partnership. I think this is a repeated question, so it's option the one that has unlimited nature. Okay, so that's the right answer. Option A is the right answer here, it's unlimited nature. I. Next question is one, it says a partnership may be automatically dissolved due to the following factors except you have admission of new partner. This is a repeated question, so obviously is option A, admission of new partners. Next question, this one, it says which of these is both merit and demerit in partnership. So is unlimited nature, option C, repeated question. So the last question for end this video, this one, it says a partnership is dissolved under the following terms except by a partner giving notice of dissolution, by admission of new members at the expiration of the fixed date or the fixed time, by the death or bankruptcy of a general partner. So the exception here is by the admission of new partners. So guys, this basically can be a problem involving advantages, disadvantages, dissolution and liquidation of business partnership. Practice with about 13 to 15 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video, tell me how you feel what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information. I'll help you to send your SNE exams, take your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Whilst having done this, click the next click above, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.